Right. This is a repair kit, right? So all you need is this string, knife, you got that, and this one, right? So the first stage will be locate where the screw is, or a nail. Well, we got it here, as you can see. We got a screw there. We take this one, right? First thing, try to pull it out. Oh, it's a crazy one, isn't it? This is a screw, obviously. It's not a nail, it's a screw, as you can see there. Right, this is where the actual hole is. So we're gonna take, open a little bit, it's not too much. Do not open too big. Right? Take this one.
This is a plug repair. It's quick and easy to repair. You don't need to take the tire off the rim. We took it off the rim just to show you how it works from inside.
It's a proper rubber. It's got glue on. It's got glue on ready to go. So watch this. It's gonna go to the hole from outside here. Wow. Now let's see how it goes from inside.
This is obviously how a plug repair works, and you can see the view from inside. Now let's move to a second type of repair, a patch repair, mushroom from inside.
Got mushroom repair. So we got two types. You got this one here, right? The one with the stick that comes from inside, you pull out from outside. And you got this one, is just a patch, right? Right. All you need is the tools you see here, right? You need this, right? And that, plus you got a glue here, okay? So let's start and we'll see how it goes. Number one, we got a screw just right on top of the tire here, as you can see, okay? So the first stage is take this, right? To pull this screw out, nail of the, hold it, right, pull it out like that, drop down, make sure the hole is open a little bit more.
This is a patch repair. You must take the tire off the rim to repair from inside.
Right, we got a hole here, do not open it that much, not too big. Okay, as you can see, we got a hole here, straight there. So wait. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this, connect to the pipe, air pipe. Wow, can you see that? Trouble, grinder. So we're gonna grind exactly from this hole here, right? Press. That's nice. That's really nice. Right. We need to clean a little bit. Wait there. You need to make sure you clean it. All right. Drop that there. Right. Then you need to use a glue, right?
$75 today.
Well, you use the glue like that. Right. Now you're going to take this, open it. Right. What I normally prefer to use more glue on the stick, right? Use glue on the stick like this. Then from here, we're gonna push, yeah? This, we push it right to the hole. Push it, lock it like that, and turn around, right? Like that. Hold this from here, pull it out, right? Pull it out. Right. Drop it down again. Right. What I do, I cut this part first, yeah? The top, just pull it just a little bit. Cut it like that. Right down. Now, the next stage, what we're doing is taking this roller, and there we go, from the edge, right, in corners, like that.
At the end of the video, let us know which repair process that you prefer, the plug repair or the patch repair. And is it worth repairing your tires or just replace it? Make your comment.
Well, now what I do is next take a little plastic out. Got this little plastic, take it out, drop it there to reinforce. I had to use a bead sealer, seal it a bit more around to make sure there is no air deflection. Well, leave it for 5 minutes, make sure it's dry, put it back on the wheel.
Now you know how your tire has been repaired. You think it's worth repairing your tires? Does it really make sense repairing it? or just replace them? Tell us what you think. Drop your comment below, and many thanks for watching.